Mouse wanna run this motherfucking city, man, like he run this motherfucker. All this fight forward shit, cuz.
What's up, my G? Yeah, I'm gonna be to you by like a hot second though, fam. Yeah, I'm just waiting for, you know what I'm saying, for the rider shit to come through. Alright. Alright.
I'm back up on my bounce shit. Yeah. Turn my motherfucking music up. Yeah, feel like I'm from Mexico. My flow will have you fucked up, so you can call me Quavo. All the hoes say, what's up? I'm so motherfucking focused, and I can't afford to slow up. And I used to stretch that motherfucking coke like it was Joker. And I just can't hear the blow up, and that public I don't show out. That's not this what I came for. I'm only trying to be mouse. So lame niggas, I don't know ya. And every time I go out, they say, mouse man, what's your host up? I told you I was focused on my and time to stack my paper from that town all the way to New Orleans and cop that whatchamacallit. My flow so incredible, every rapper to me, she's edible. No need to go crash Jimmy, make a big walk for the motherfucking and I represent that Borneo, that Baja, act like you know. And I be on the west side, just me and my amigos. And we be on some player shit, I don't know what you want. Oh, we can give savage, yeah, really, yeah, fuck on, yeah. And I was ballin', I'm trying to stack my paper from that town to New Orleans. Yo, and what's your hold up? I was ballin', I hear that money calling, yeah, I'm still fast talking. Yeah, and I was ballin', hey, and I was ballin', stacking paper to the morning. Where you been? Well, I was deja vu, reminiscing on all of the cake I blew. Somewhere where the water turns something like blue. So don't worry about me, bitch, what about you? Don't get it confused, a misconstrued. The hustle, give it to your heart, a chopped it. I can slow it down, or I can speed it up. Say I'm all about my dollars. Scrooge makes I was out of the wild like an MJ calling. I ain't thinking about falling, I ain't thinking about stalling. I'm getting to the dough, I'm thinking hella fast. You niggas is talking slow. I'm sticking to the dough like some damn sticky track. And the hustle's on the map, I'ma bring this shit back. Ain't no time for a nap as I recline in my mind, making money into time. Bitch, I'm sticking to my grind. And I was ballin', I hear that money calling, and I'm still fast talking. Hey Mouse, what's your hold up? I was ballin', I'm trying to stack my paper from that town to New Orleans. Yeah, and I was ballin', hey, and I was ballin', stacking paper to the morning. Yeah, Mouse. Vito sold this drop top, you know that I was pissed off. I used to have that blueberry that gave these beans a big cough. But you just take that cough drop, cause that syrup make it lean up. And if you got a warranty, the boys will wipe your clothes off. I'm all about my cream, the many flavors I bring. I make it breaking news whenever I'm last seen. So when it seems I'm on the low band, chill grooving like a slow jam. To be moving with the program. I huff and puff and blow a fucking house down. I'm the wolf right now. Better get the dark night. Hoes better get it tight. Hustle about to take flight. Don't worry about where I've been. Worry about where I'm going. Worry about why I'm laughing, cause you niggas joking. Worry about a nigga scoring and you I was ballin'. I hear that money calling, and I'm still fast talking. And I was ballin'. Hey, and I was ballin'. Stacking papers in the morning.
Hey, that little nigga Mighty Mouse and Snuggles on the way, nigga. Fuck him up.